Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wanna light all the candles light by light. Wanna light up the sky. Wanna send out a message clear and bright. Wanna fly, wanna fall in love tonight. Wanna breathe in the light. Wanna try to believe my dreams come true. Yeah, I don't need to say goodbye. In my dreams, I'll never die. In my dreams. I don't need to say goodbye. In my dreams, I'll never die. In my dreams.
Hi, Dami! Happy birthday! Naku, Mare, 40 years old ka na. Sabi nga nila, like begins at 40. Wish ko sa'yo, good health. Kasi wala na akong ibang ma-wish kasi ano, parang nasa iyo na yata lahat. Kaya happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Dani. Salamat sa lahat ng naitulong sa akin. And lalo-lalo na financially. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Dani. Thank you po sa lahat na naitulong niyo po sa amin, lalo na po sa akin. Dahil first time kayo mag-1 year pa lang po yun. Ayun, happy birthday and more blessings to.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Dali. I wish you all the best and stay pretty and stay healthy. I think lahat ng bagay meron yan. Siguro yung mahihiling ko na lang sana mas marami kang magagawa para sa department. And thank you for everything.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Dani, Mare. Happy birthday. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for everything. Kasi lagi ka nandiyan, hindi lang bilang pag-isip ko, kaibigan ko na rin siya bilang kapatid. We love you, Mare.
Happy birthday, Maren Dali. Ma'am, matagal na tayo magkakasama. I know from masaya, malungkot, lahat pinagsamahan natin. Mga problema, mga tambuhan na mayroon tayo. All I wish you is good health. Sana magtagal pa yung pagsasama natin. Dumami pa yung mga maliligayang araw na magsasama tayo. At sana, yung pagiging magkaibigan natin, yung pagiging boss namin sa'yo at sa kayuan natin is lumawak pa. Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. I know, nandyan na sa'yo ang lahat. Nasa iyo na lahat. Sana lang mag-grow pa tayo lahat. Thank you and happy birthday.
Ma'am, happy birthday po. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you po sa pagtiwala niyo sa akin. Happy birthday po, ma'am. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng support ako. Happy birthday, ma'am. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Dali. I wish that all your wishes come true. Siyempre po, I pray for your health and happiness. And sana po matupad pa rin po lahat ng mga dreams mo for yourself, for your family, for your kids, and for the school. Maraming salamat po. Maraming po natutunan sa inyo. Mula po noon, estudyante nyo ako hanggang ngayon po. And sa papa ko po ay proud of you na naging teacher po kayo, one of my mentor. And marami po ako natutunan sa inyo everyday na nakakakasap. Again, I wish you good health, long life, and happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Dali, and happy Valentine's. Wish ko sa inyo good health and more success in life. Happy birthday po din.
Happy Valentine's, ma'am, and happy birthday. Mula po sa apps, nagpapasalamat po kami sa
kayo kasi naging napakabuting advisor po namin. So, sa lahat po ng nagawa niyo po sa amin, maraming salamat. Sana po yung mapapa po yung buhay niyo, tapos marami po kayo matulungan. Kayo po yung inspiration namin. Lagi-lagi po namin kayo pinapahalagahan. Kasi iba, isa lang po kayo. Bihira po yung taon po. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi.
There you go. Happy birthday. Turning 40. Bago mo na-reach yung 40, you have achieved so much. You have achieved so much. And I'm very proud of you for being such a good wife, good lover, an excellent mother, and of course, sa career mo. I hope that you achieve more because you only deserve the best. You're a very good person. Happy birthday. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday